Hello everyone, this is Ajay Kumar here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to just explain a bit of information regarding how to use the ESR meter. So as you guys can see, I have a ESR meter which is MESR 100. This is a very good device, I would say. I've been using it for a long time now. This operates 9-volt battery and it comes with the two crocodile leads. So to begin with it, we have to short these two crocodile leads together, as I did here, you guys can see, and then press and hold for 0 button for just a second. And after that, the meter will recalibrate. So the reading is almost 0 now. Now the next thing we need is the electrolyte capacitor. So I have one electrolyte capacitor here which is 1000 microfarad, 35 volt, as you guys can see that now. So only thing we have to do is to just connect this both probe to the both lead of the capacitor. So positive probe goes to positive and negative goes to negative. So first we connect the negative like that, and then sorry guys, I have so here you guys can see I have connected both lead to the good capacitor, and on a meter it shows 57 ohm, and also you can read there it says good cap with low ESR. So this is how you test this capacitor. If you remove it and you connect it back and you see what happened, so we'll recalibrate and it's good capacitor. So on that meter you guys have noticed that one more thing. So this is how you test the capacitor with this meters. I just gonna remove that one now. This can stay away. At the bottom of the meter here is a table which comes like a, it's very handy table down there. So this will tell you the worst case electrolyte capacitor ESR table. So here is a bit of guidelines. If you're using, I would say like 10 microfarad or any capacity here, then you guys can read it when you should consider good cap or a bad cap. So for example 1000 microfarad here, so I was using 35 volt. Yep, that's correct. So I was using 35 volt cap, which is here, still here with me. Yep, 35 volt, and our reading was 51 or along there. So 35 volt, it goes 0.07. That's a worst case. So this is how we can consider the ESR of the capacitor has gone bad. So that's the good idea to replace that capacitor and put the new one. So that's all my friends. This is how you use this meter. If you like it, please thumbs up and share with it. Thank you.